This tutorial will show you how to add important landmarks to your map in our dashcam tracking system. Landmarks are a great way to keep track of when your drivers arrive or leave a location, such as your headquarters or customer locations. You can also set alerts that will send an email notification when a vehicle enters or exits the area you specify. To add a landmark, open up the Side tab menu from the Maps screen and choose Landmark. Now click Create. From here you will create the landmark and its boundary that will trigger enter/exit alerts. The easiest way to do this is first enter in the address where you want to place your landmark. Then name your landmark. Now you will create the boundary for your new landmark. Under Choose Landmark Type, you can draw either a circle or a custom polygon shape. To draw a circle, enter in the size of the radius, then click on the map. From here you can manually adjust the radius by dragging any of the 4 points on the circle. To draw a polygon, simply outline the area you want for your landmark's boundary. When you are finished, hit Save, and your landmark will be created. Now you can set an alert to notify you anytime a vehicle enters or exits the landmark you just created. Go to Settings in the main menu and choose Alerts. Once you're here, click the Add Alert button. Now name your alert. Set the alert type as Landmark. Then set the action as Landmark Enter Exit. Now choose the landmark you just created under the Landmark dropdown. Next, select the vehicles you want to have trigger the landmark boundary. You can choose fleets, individual vehicles, or your entire fleet. In this case, we're going to choose all fleets. For the final step, enter in emails for the alerts to be sent to. Make sure the email is selected under delivery type, and click Save to create the alert. You should now receive email notifications anytime a vehicle enters or exits your new landmark. This covers landmarks. If you need more help learning how to use our tracking application, call your dealer directly or visit our help page.